Hi, I'm Ethan Reeves, the developer of Genie and founder of Ifrit Technologies, and in this quick video, we're going to be going over how to add in a Congress docket. Now, if you're using Genie for Congress, which I would highly recommend, there's actually a simple way to add a PDF docket into Genie and immediately import all of its bills in as collections. This lets you immediately get your research started and get everything going in one place. Then inside of those bills, you can organize your evidence cards, add articles, view the text of the bill itself, and auto-research keywords to build up your basis of evidence. That all starts with importing a docket, though. We can import a docket through two places. You can either import a docket by coming over here and clicking Add Congress Docket, or you can do it from this menu. We're going to click Import Congress Docket. First off, we need to pick the title of the docket. Now, the docket we're going to be importing in this video is the NSDA 2019 High School Debate Docket. NSDA 2019 Chess Nationals. Great, that's the name of the docket. Now we click Next. Now we need to enter a URL, select a file, or you do have the ability to enter bills manually if you want to. Genie will try to automatically extract them from the PDF, but if it fails to do so, you might need to input them manually, or if you're writing a docket for yourself or just a practice one for your team, you would go that route as well. So we can come over here to the NSDA 2019 High School Congressional Docket, copy the link, back over to Genie, paste it in, and click Import PDF. This only works with PDFs. You can't add Word documents or zip files in there, but if you can export it as one giant PDF, then you could import it. All right, so we can see that it was able to automatically pull out cleanly formatted bills directly from that docket. They're all here. They all are cleanly organized, bolded. Even the subpoints are imported properly. Everything is right where you need it. If you needed to add another bill, you could do that here and click Add Bill manually. You could also edit or delete a bill by clicking these buttons here. So we're going to click Next now. Great, so we're all done. Now the docket itself is going to be created as a folder, and all of the bills inside the docket are going to be created as new collections underneath it. We can see that right over here at Folders and Collections. So here's the docket we just created. And here are all of the bills underneath it. Let's take a quick peek. A bill to cease sale of weapons to Saudi Arabia. I just clicked on that, opened it in the sidebar, and then come over to open it here. That's just a quick help tutorial. And right, here it is. We can see the whole bill, and everything's right where we need it. Then, when we're researching, we can add articles in, query file keywords in, and cut specific evidence cards in for specific quotes we want to research. We're just going to go back here. This docket belongs under Congress, so we're going to put it there. And now we are all set to start researching for NSDA Nationals in Congress.